Good morning, folks. Bernie Fransford here from Kreativ Insight, our connection between you and other businesses and even more. Today, you'll see a shared screen, a video about WRN, World Referral Network, and how to get a post on there. And so this is going to be fairly simple. You'll see the screen right now. It's kind of a good way to get out and just a little training exercise. So you're going to start off in the home screen. Super easy. And so you'll launch your WRN link, and you'll come up to the left-hand side where it says home. You will scroll down, and you'll keep going down till you come across Phoenix Business Exchange. Right here, you'll see the Phoenix logo. Click on Phoenix Business Exchange. Now, if you don't have a connection into a WRN yet, get a hold of me. If you are in WRN but not inside the Phoenix Business Exchange space, again, get a hold of me or Tony, and we'll bring you into that space. So what we want to do is I want to show you how to post something. So you're going to go to the feed, click on that, and you'll see the ability to the little plus sign next to your face, and you'll have other content that's available. There's some information that is already in place. So here's some of the content that's already present. You're going to click on the plus sign. Now, you have three options: a GIF, you can do a poll, or you can just add a photo. So you want to post more than just a straight content. You want to have some sort of visual. So today we're going to use the golf tournament as an example. So I've just clicked on this, and I'm going into my folders, and I'm going to pick the golf promo for May 5th, and just going to open it up. And although you can't see the image right now, it is, I wouldn't say it's stunning, but it's good. Humble opinion moment. And so you click that, it'll load, and then the image will appear. Now, the next piece you want to do is put some content in here. And you have the emojis, you can put a hashtag into this space. Now, I already have a prepared text to go in here. So it's kind of playing on the fact that we have our 7th charity golf tournament coming up. And so I'm just going to cut and paste some content I've already typed up. And you just cut and paste. You want to get back in and space it. You cannot bold the letters. And some indication of editing comes up. So fairly easy to fix. Yeah, the message that comes up, I have a link that leads outside of the WRN network that connects to someone that wants to register in that space. The Phoenix Business Exchange is written in there, the Canadian Golf and Country Club. Now, the interesting thing here, I can also, what I can do is I'll just create a new tab. And let's say you forgot to add a hyperlink in here. Now, this was meant for a LinkedIn profile. So I can go into the Canadian Golf and Country Club and, bring their link right up. I can copy it. I can go back and I can put it in behind it, or on my text off to the side, I can embed the link inside the words, create a link in there. You can't see that right now. I'm just putting that off to the side. And what I do then is I cut and paste the written text with the link. So the hyperlink gets transferred over. Now, where you see it highlighted like that, that means the link is embedded in there. And then, to find out more information, get the space. Now, the important things here, you'll see that Tony's name is here. So I don't have to hyperlink Tony in here. So what I will do is use the @ symbol, type in Tony, and Tony's name appears. So just delete that. What's happening here? Joanne Vermette is not inside the system, but I have her linked back to LinkedIn. So a person can click that and get her. Then we have Penny Lee here. Penny Lee. So this is just doing the quick editing. Now there's also myself. Already know I'm part of the system. And then I can edit. So that's how you create a link back to yourself or to someone else to make them aware that information is getting posted. Now, what else to do here? Now we can do a hashtag. In this case, breaking news and Manatee. Right now, I don't see a proper hashtag to work in that space, so we're just going to skip that part. All right. So the other thing I can do, I can schedule this, schedule the post. What that means is that it will go out now or at a time of my choosing. So in this case, I will pick May 8th. And this is your time, by the way. This is Eastern Standard Time. So it's not Pacific time where WRN is hosted. So I'll put it in at 7:45. It will hit save, and it'll go into the system and launch tomorrow at May 8th in the morning. And that's how you do a post inside the space. So we'll schedule that post. The following members will not be notified since they are not a member of the group. So Penalty's still working on getting in here. Post anyway. It's okay. Everybody's going to get notified. Now, we talked about a poll. So we can create a poll. So we have poll types. We have questions, multiple choice, hot, cold, or percentage. All right, so you just have to figure out what you want to do. If it's a multiple choice, so you can start the question off. What beverage do you like to start the day off with? Now, part of the reasoning behind doing a poll is finding out information. It also provides a little more engagement back to you. All right, so add a choice, coffee. So we can add another choice. It's we'll say smoothie. Another one. Or we could say pure trim cardio 9. Next one could be water. And the responses are public. And so now we can also schedule the post. Again, we can target tomorrow. Pick a time. Now the time can be, shouldn't be during a Phoenix Business Exchange meeting. It should be before or after. That way you have, it'll keep the information fresh and you're not causing people to have a little bit of a traffic jam with that if they're going to respond. All right, and hit save. And so now we can collect some information. Other things you can check on, what chats. Oh, it says I haven't saved, so that's good. Schedule post. So you'll always get that hey, hang on, don't go too fast, which is good. All right. All right, so chat, you can say something about yourself. This is another good way to share news, information, and reach members, discovery.